now 2026. First ride of the season. It's January 3rd. It's -20 right now. Oh, Connor's got the whippopotamus that we had to boost. Sick rig, Connor.
Thank you, thank you.
Loading up. And we're gonna hit the trails. That is cold. Whew. Out on the trails. But yeah, it's -20. I don't know what it feels like. -25 maybe. It's cold. We're just gonna go up the road and then hit the trails. So I just put this windshield in, and my old light bar doesn't fit with it. I need a curved one, so I mean, as you can see, I still got tons of light, so not that big a deal, but yeah, I gotta get a new light bar ordered. Okay. We're just gonna head down this trail and get to the we're going to the boot shelter, it's called. Get a fire going. I am going to switch her to low and 4-wheel drive. Yeah, nobody's been down here in a while, that's for sure. Quite a few trees down. I don't love that. See what Connor's got going on. Is your battery falling out? A lot of these roads. Yeah, a lot of these are logging roads, so some of them are in use, so some of them get plowed. What's up?
Oh, I just switching gloves. I don't know if that one's glove.
Is it all the way up? Doesn't feel like it.
It's all the way up.
I don't know, that's weird. So this is the pallet trail. This will take us to the boot shelter. So this is actually a groomed ATV trail in the winter. They just haven't had the groomer out yet. Busy night out on the trails here.
Oh, it's nice in here.
Cam, that could be you.
Yeah, do you see what he has on the front?
No, what?
Bar speaker ratchet strapped to the front of the hat.
That's, oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that could be me though.
Oh, yeah.
Now we won't give a phone.
I might move mine, park it up. Wait, Connor, does yours not start at all? We should go look at that soon. You good? Yeah, that should be fine. That system could use some work.
Good. Because I took it out to...
That could use some work.
No, the bike's mint.
Just a bit of TLC.
Yeah, park her up, dude. This is the thumbnail. I'll just take the choke down a little.
Hot chocolate.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh my god, nice. It's so nice.
Good quick break to shelter.
Don't make me hold my gun in here. Let me enjoy my high before you blow my shit.
Slide into the left, that's for sure. Looks like Cam's gonna go across the ice. Oh yeah. Oh man. And just like that, we're back. Just a short 45K or so. That was a lot of branches. Dude, what an awesome ride, huh?
Cold. I'm glad we came back now.
Even my face is freezing.
And you have a windshield.
I know.
I was warmer on the way back than I was on the way there.
Edit that out.
That was a nice ride. Quite cold.
But glad we got out, you know, only a certain amount of time in the winter, you're able to get out and, you know, get on the trails with some friends. I had a good experience.
Dude, you're just made for the camera. Say bye, Connor.